Welcome to class 7 computers. Lesson 1 hardware components. Learning objects. Computer components, hardware and software. Relationship between hardware and software. Types of input and output devices and computer memory. A computer is an electronic data processing machine which accepts data and instructions through an input unit. It processes data into meaningful information in the desired form, stores the data in memory and gives the output using the different output components. Now about the hardware components. Hardware is the term given to the machinery and the various components and equipment of the computer system. It refers to the physical devices of a computer system. In general, that we can see, touch, feel. These are categorized into different groups like input devices, output devices, storage devices, processing units, and memory units. The another part of a computer is the software. Software refers to the set of computer programs, procedures, and documents that describe how the programs are to be used. These are categorized into system software, application software, utility software, and internet software. The relationship between hardware and software. The blending of software and hardware gives life to a computer system. So, to run a computer, both are required. Hardware is nothing unless it has a software to control it. Software is a set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do and how to perform the requested action. If hardware is the heart of a computer, then the software is its soul. The hardware and software are complementary to each other. Internal hardware parts. The main part of a computer is the motherboard. It provides connectivity to various parts of the computer system so that communicate with each other. It is a printed circuit board that provides a platform for microprocessor, RAM, ROM, and other hardware components. PCI, Peripheral Component Interconnects, is used for connecting various peripheral devices with the motherboard. That is printers, internet connection modems, LAN networks, etc. Sound card. It helps to connect sound input output devices like speakers and microphone. It converts digital signals to sound signals and vice versa. Video card. It sends graphical information to the visual display units like monitor, projector, or TV. Disk drives. It is used to read and write data on CD, DVD, even floppy disks. These drives use laser technology to store data on CD and DVD. SMPS, switched mode power supply, is a small power supply box that provides regulated power to the computer system. It converts AC to DC and ensures that proper power supply is available for the working of computer system before switching it on. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the brain of a computer. It consists of a arithmetic logic unit, control unit and memory unit. ALU performs all arithmetical operations, includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and logical operators. The logical operations contains the decision making. CU controls all the operations of the computer. It controls the transferring of data from different devices. It works just like a traffic police to control the flow of the data in different directions. It retrieves data and instructions from the memory and sends the commands to various parts of the computer system. Memory unit is the main storage unit. It stores data, holds it, and then delivers it according to the instructions from the CU control unit. RAM, Random Access Memory, is temporary data storage. It is a temporary or a volatile memory. While carrying out instructions, CPU needs to store data in temporarily. CPU holds this data in RAM. RAM loses data as soon as the program is over or power is turned off. ROM, read-only memory, is the permanent memory. The programs stored are not erased when the system is switched off. It mainly contains BIOS, basic input-output system, Bootstrap loader, a small program that loads the operating system from hard disk to RAM, and power on self-test to check the memory, keyboard, mouse, monitor, RAM, all these parts properly connected or not. Ports are the connecting nodes to interface the peripheral devices with the motherboard. It is just like a bridge between the external devices and the data communications. USB port used to connect the pen drives or flash drives. Serial ports, parallel ports, USB ports, PS2 ports, etc. Thank you for listening this class. I hope you understood something from this video. Thank you.